Bakit sa dami ng singing competition sa telebisyon, mas masarap pa rin rumesbak ng resbak sa tawag ng tanghalan?
Rumesbak ng rumesbak. Ayan. Actually, we need two resbackers to answer the question. Ayan. Meron ba tayong volunteer?
What about si Miss Ayeji?
Miss Ayeji, sige. Wow!
O, isa sa mga
Miss Ayeji's
malupit
back.
na boses ng tawag ng tanghalan.
Diba? Ayan. Tinamin natin yung mic for Miss Ayeji.
Bonggels.
You want us to repeat the question
Yes
po?
po. Sorry. Medyo matanda na.
Ayan. Miss Ayeji, sa iyong pananaw, bakit sa dami ng singing competition sa telebisyon, mas masarap pa rin rumesbak ng rumesbak sa TNT?
Why not? Why not? Kasi I've tried also international competition. So, parang sa experience ko, Diyos ko, tatlong dekada na siguro, na iba pa rin ang Pilipino. So, sa akin kasi, win or lose, contest is a game. Either you win or you lose. Ang maganda kasi, manalo ka or matalo ka, basta magagaling yung kalaban mo kasi doon mo masusukat kung ano din ang kapasidad mo. At dito lang yan sa tawag ng tanghalan. Ito, with all honesty, napakahuhusay ng mga contestant dito. So, Diyos ko, laban 42.
Di ba pag pinapakita mo si Ayeji, parang hindi natatakot? Talagang laban, di ba?
Yes, yan natatakot din ako. Hindi ko lang pinapahalata para hindi yun sila mag-alala.
Pero kailangan din yun, no? Itago natin yung tunay nating nararamdaman para mas marami pang ma-inspire. Yes, sino bang tatanungin natin? May nagtataas po ng kamay, si Miss Phoebe.
Phoebe. Ayan. Pahiram po ng microphone for Miss Phoebe.
Sa akin, hindi lang yung pagbalik dito kasi, makita mo yung mga nakilala ko na noon. Sobrang saya. So apart from that, oo, actually, naiiyak ako kanina.
Iyak na yan.
Alam mo yung, apart sa sinabi ni Ayeji, tama yung sinabi niya, you learn from one another too. So, kung ano yung strength niya, nakakadampot tayo sa isa't isa yan yung nakakapulot. So, yun yung magandang factor dito.
True. Kumbaga parang learning experience din, di ba? Habang nasa tawag na tanghalan journey ka. Thank you so much, Miss Ayeji and Miss Phoebe. Ayan. Next question. Ayan.
Alright, ito naman from Miss Aubrey Carampel from GMA Integrated News.
Hello, Miss Aubrey.
Ang tanong niya.
Ayan, kaya naman tanong. Sige.
Hi, Miss Aubrey. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome po.
Yes. For being here again.
Yes, the question is for Sir Ogie Alcacid. What makes a performance stand out to you as one of the OPM's icons? What advice can you give sa ating TNT resbackers?
Hirap naman ang question. But I think, as a performer, ito pagbabasehan ko na naman yung asawa ko. Yung asawa ko kasi has this killer instinct. Parang ina-unleash niya. Na kapag nagpe-perform, kahit sasabihin na, naku, parang wala akong boses. And then she stands on that stage, she does something fantastic. Or it's like an out-of-body experience that she experiences and then she just does it. All of you have that. I think all of us have that. It's just up to us how to tap and how to unleash that KI, which is the killer instinct. I think that's what marks one performer from another, how you can stand out another. And when that happens, when that magic happens, nararamdaman ng audience yun at nararamdaman namin yun. Para siya na sweet spot that you untap. And it doesn't happen all the time. Diba? It doesn't. Alam niyo yun eh, pag nagpe-perform, wow, sarap nung nagawa ko yun. It doesn't happen. So you just have to keep on trying and trying and trying. Do you think you have a great performance every time? Hindi naman, diba? So, it's a matter of chance, it's a matter of practicing how you can untap that killer instinct. I hope that helps.
Thank you so much, Sir Boga. How about Sir Louie?
Ayan. Let's repeat the question for Sir Louie.
What makes a performance stand out to you as one of OPM's icons? What advice can you give to our TNT Res backers?
What makes a performance stand out? Okay. I have to feel it. Number one, when you do something, when you do something vocally, okay, when you perform, do it for a reason. And that reason should come from your gut and from your heart. Don't do it for the sake of just, okay, ito yung mga bala na napag-aralan ko. Sasalpak mo yan. Hindi, sige. Do it for a reason. A song calls for something to be done. Kunyari, pagdating sa chorus, kung kailangan hatawin, di humataw ka. Huwag niyong gawin na parang, sige, sa verse pa lang, so umpisa, hahataw na ako. Do it for a reason because yan ang dinidictate ng puso niyo. Okay? Okay magyabang, kasi ako, kunyari, kapag tumutugtog ako, parang gusto kong minsan, sige, magpapasiklab ako, may gagawin ako. Isang piraso lang. So katulad din sinabi ni, yung, what you were saying with Regina, meron siyang mga killer instinct, no? So it's good to do that eh. Kunyari, yung...
Buti nga, buhay pa ako eh.
Alam mo yun, yung parang unexpectedly for a reason, but coming from your gut and from your heart, do something. Magpasiklab ng konti. So, pasikat, di ba? So, yan yung ma-advise.
Thank you, Sir Louie. Grabe, parang ako nasa workshop. Ang gaganda ng mga sinasabi nila. Maraming salamat po. We have another question from Miss Aubrey Carampel, pero this time sa mga resbackers. Let's hear from Kim and Noe. Here's the question. What did you learn from your previous performances that you're applying now that you're back on the TNT stage? Kim muna, sige.
Things that I learned from my previous performances?
Yes.
This show has let me discover a lot of things about myself, a lot of insecurities, my anxiety, and my gifts as well. So I think this time it should be about overcoming the negatives and highlighting the positives. So parang gusto kong ma-overcome yung sarili kong fears and anxiety nang at the same time mabigay ko rin kung ano yung gusto kong message this time. I would love this edition to be my story. Kumbaga, I want to give a story to the Madlang people through my songs, through my performances. Ayun. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you so much, Kim. And Miss Noe.
Sorry po, can you repeat the question?
All right. What did you learn from your previous performances that you're applying now that you're back sa TNT stage?
Performances?
Previous performances.
Oh, okay. Thank you for that wonderful question. So, from my previous experiences po, performances, yung mga natutunan ko na ina-apply ko ngayon is to connect more sa audience and not to focus on the technicalities only. Kasi sa mga previous performances ko, yun yung napansin ko sa akin. And also, I have stage fright if it isn't obvious. And I also want to overcome it and apply it ngayong Grand Res Pack. And I think na makakaya ko na ngayon kasi dati parang nung previous laban ko, hindi talaga ako yung laban na laban. And hindi ako prepared, I admit. Pero ngayon, laban na ako. Hindi kasi syempre laban na laban din yung mga kasali dito. And nakakahawa yung energy nila. Guys. Ngayon, I hope na mai-unleash ko yung killer instinct ko. Hey! Thank you!
Thank you, Noe. Nag-aasaran sila, parang friends sila lahat.
Kaya nga. Ito ang next question naman natin ay from Miss Hannah Mallorca of Inquirer.net. The question is for Sir Ogie again. As one of the OPM Titans, what advice can you give to the contestants na natalo sa tawag ng tanghalan? What is the healthiest way for them to accept and move on from failure? Additionally, sala kung sala, puksaan kung puksaan. Ano ang hamon ngayon sa inyo na ang magja-judge, ang i-judge ninyo ay All-Star Grand Resback?
As a Titan, ano ba yung sabihin yung Titan?
Tita N.
Tita N. Hindi na pala ako ngayon, Titan. Okay, ano na? May joke ka? Ang question is, anong ma-advise ko dun sa natalo na? Okay, and how you bounce back? Ano ba yun? I think you have to talk to yourself first. Gusto mo ba talagang gawin to? Because there's so many things that you have to consider. One is, I guess, the mental aspect of it. Ang laking bahagi nun, di ba? Yung, pinag-usapan nga namin, yung mag-perform ka lang sa entablado, kumanta ka lang sa harap ng mga magulang mo, kumanta ka lang sa harap ng best friend mo. May anxiety ng kaakibat yun, di ba? Because you're exposing yourself. You're saying so many things about yourself that maybe you really don't want to reveal, maybe you want to hide. So you have to ask yourself, how bad do I want to do this? Do I really want to be a champion? Because if the answer is no, it's not a bad thing. There are other things that you can do as a singer. The competition itself is different. It's built for a different kind of singer. Real talk. I wasn't built for this. I never won a singing contest. You know why? Because I never joined one. Because I knew there were so many others who were better than me. So what did I do? I started writing songs about myself, how I felt, and then I started singing them on my own. That was my journey. So that is my advice. Talk to yourself. Ask. Really ask yourself, how bad do I want this? Gusto ko bang maging kampiyon? And then, watch yourself. Ano ba yung mga mali? Alam nyo na yun? You know how to make yourself better. You've already honed your talents as singers. You already know what it feels like when you've nailed it, when you've nailed a performance. So I think it's really more of a mental thing. Kausapin ko sa inyo. I don't know if that helped you, but that's how I would. You know! Boom!
Thank you so much po to our OPM Titans.
Sir Audrey. Thank you, Sir Audrey. Ayan.
Meron naman tayong katanungan para sa ating mga resbacker. First question is for Marco Rujo.
Ayan. Marco, are you ready? Marco, actually tatlo silang tatanungin natin ng question.
Same question to.
Marco, Enzo, and Maki. Ayan. Alright, question is, ano ang pinaka nakakatawa o pinaka nakakalokang nangyari sa'yo habang nagpa-perform ka? Marco.
Pinaka nakakatawa. Ngayon palang natatawa na ako. Ay, marami po kasing kumbaga maraming unforgettable na moments nung sumalang po kami dito sa tanghalan. Pero ang pinaka nakakatawa kasi, hindi ko lang nakakatawa kasi nininervyos po kami lahat. Ang nakakatawa na lang po siguro after nung mga performances namin. Yun yung parang pumiyok ka. Gumana to, pagtatanungin ka na, ha? Talaga ba? Parang, pag pinakinggan mo na, oo nga no, pero okay naman no. Parang yun na lang po yung parang way namin para parang itaas yung confidence namin at ulitin ng ulitin kung ano man yung nasimulan namin and galingan ng galingan para itatawa mo na lang ng itatawa hanggang sa ayun. Para po ako, yun nakaabot naman ng finals kahit pa paano. Ayun. Yun po siguro yung funny moments.
Yes, thank you so much, Marco Rujo.
Oo.
Nakakatawa yun!
Hindi, necessarily naman nakakatawa. Pwedeng nakakaloka. Yung naloka ka after performance, bakit nangyari? Paano nangyari? Alam mo si Enzo, parang ready na siya.
Yes, nakatayo na.
Go, Enzo!
Go, Enzo!
Nanahimik ako dito. Hindi, siguro sa akin yung pinaka nakakaloka is yung kumanta ko sa simbahan. Tapos nag-contact lens ako. Nakita ko si Jesus. Kasi yung spotlight wala akong makita mga tao. Basta kumanta na lang ako, tapos tapos na. So after nun, success.
Yes! Thank you so much,
Thank you, Enzo.
Enzo. And naman for Maki, same question. Tayo ka naman, Maki, para makita yung wonderful gown. Yeah!
Maki!
Maki!
Alam mo, nakakaiyak kasi akala ko hindi na ako tatanungin sa'yo yung naman yung outfit.
Moment mo na to.
Moment mo to.
Pinarush ko po ito kagabi, oh. Bago ang lahat, hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Nakakatawa siguro sa akin yung sa sobrang sarap ng performance, yung hati dito sa stage, lumusot yung heels ko. Oo. Tapos muntik na ako mahulog. Buti na hindi ako yung naganoy. Siguro yun yung nakakatawa. Tapos yung iyak ako nag-iyak after ng performance, hindi naman pala maganda sa TV.
Thank you so much, Maki, with a wonderful gown and sleeves.
True.
Same question goes to Raven.
Raven Higueres.
Siyempre tatayo ka rin, para design yung outfit.
That's Raven. Raven, hindi Noe sa ano kanina.
Oo,
sa
Noe
video.
kanina yung nakalagay. Parang mas maganda si Ate Noe sa akin. Pero okay na. Charot. Siguro sa akin yung nung naglagay ako ng petroleum jelly sa ko, bangs. Tapos pagtapat ng spotlight, umusok. Ha? So paano to? Tinanggal ko na lang. Rehearsal pa lang naman yun. So parang kinabahan, oh my God. Umusok siya.
Girl on fire.
Ayun po.
Thank you so much.
Isa kasi dahil sa kaban, dami natin nagagawa, di ba? Before
Actually,
performance.
ang dami ko nang iniisip.
True. Si Vensor naman, anong sagot mo sa katanungan na yun? Nasaan si Vensor? Ayan, si Vensor. Pinaka nakakatawa or nakakaloka?
Ang nakakatawa talaga na-experience ko yung akala ko tatanggal ako sa TV.
Akala mo tatangkad ka.
Kasi yung mga nagkakaidolo sa akin, nagugulat sila pag nakikita ko sa personal. Kasi sabi nila, ang tangkad mo sa TV. Bakit sa personal lang dito? So yun lang, nakakatawa yun.
Oy, Benson, mag-show na kayo ni Nanette.
Nanette, yung Benson.
Nanette.
Hindi mo pa na-produce eh.
Ayun Nanette and Benson.
Next time.
Next time na lang po, idol.
Thank you so much, Bensor. Ito naman for Miss V, the same question po.
Venus. Ayan.
Ano po sa inyong lahat, magandang hapon. Nakakaloka siguro yan sa akin. Siguro dun sa part na nakakaloka ay yung pagbuo ng mga songs. Kasi sa sobrang dami ng contestants, sa sobrang tawag dito, ang dami ng season ng tawag ng tanghalan, ang napaulit-ulit yung kanta, ganyan. Sobrang naloka ako sa pagbuo talaga kung ano yung best songs. Pero, ayun, you just have to believe in yourself na naniniwala ka na mapaperform yung kanta at ma-approve din po ng ating mga arrangers. Thank you, Masay.
Thank you, Venus. Totoo yun, minsan unahan sa kanta, di ba? Song choice.
Yes! So, thank you so much sa inyong